So we have what we have. We want to slice it from 7 to 15. All right. So what we'll do is that we'll basically check for the position of 7, which is 2. Position of 15 is what? 7. So we'll write what? We'll write 7 over here. Right, we'll do what? We'll write 7 over here and print. As you can see, the 7th position has been excluded. So what we the position before 7, that is 6, has been included. So what do we need to do? It excuse me. It is very simple. Just write 8 and press shift plus enter, and the 15 position will be added. So this is what it is. So let us do what? Let us print 8, 11, 15, 17. Alright, let us print 8, 11, 15, 17. So 8 is at what position? 8 is at 2, 3, 4, 5th position. 8 is at 5th position. Alright, 5th position. So we want to do what? We want to slice from 8 to 7. Slicing is what? In our day-to-day life, slicing is what? Let's say we have a lady finger, bhindi as we call it. So we slice it from the top, we slice it from the bottom, and then cut it the middle part and basically put it in the oil to cook. So this is what it is. Next we have 17. 17 is at 8th position. If I write 8 over here, it will exclude 17. So I need to write 9 over here. This is the rule. So it will print me from 8 to 17. So this is what it is. Alright. So this is what the basic slicing part is all about. Alright. Alright. Let us discuss dicing. Let us discuss what? Let us discuss dicing. Now, what is dicing over here? What is dicing over here? All right. So dicing, याद है बचपन में when we used to play Ludo and snakes and ladders. So we had that dice, and whenever we rolled that dice, what used to happen? Wherever our pawn was seated, let's say we are playing snakes and ladders, our pawn is seated on 15, है ना? And we rolled the dice, our number came 5. So we used to do what? We used to jump 5 places and we used to sit our pawn on 20th position. है ना? So this is what dicing is all about in list as well. Alright, let us do what? Let us reprint the list. And what we need to do is that we need, again, let's take a 7 to 15. But this time what we need to do is that we need to skip 4, we need to skip 8, and we need to that's it, we need to skip 15 as well. So we need to print 2 places. No, 2 places apart, the numbers that are 2 places apart from each other. We need to print only that, ranging from 7 to 15. So how we'll do that? Firstly, we'll take up, we have printed 7 to 15. All right. Then we'll write what? Then we'll write it as 2. And press shift plus enter. So as you can see, it is printed 1, 11 and 7 as well. Just like we did in what? Just like we did it in range. Just like we did it in range. But it was of natural numbers. This is of what? This is of any arbitrary number in a list. Alright, so this is what a dicing is all about. Alright. So let us take another example. Let us say this we have to print from 2 to 8, but again we have to print what? We have to print 2, we have to print 4, we have to print 8, or let's say we have to print 2 and 1 only. We have to print 2 and 1 only. So how we'll do that? Firstly, we'll do what? We'll map from 2 to 8. Take 1 and 8, that is 6. 8 is at the fifth position, so it will exclude 6 and include 5. Next, we'll do what? I said that we want to print only 2 and 1. So we need to skip 7 and 4. So what we'll write over here, we'll write it as 3, alright? 1, 2, 3, dicing. So 1 colon 6 colon 3, and as you can see, 2 and 1. So we want to print 2 and 1. So this is we have written over here 3, jump to 3 places and stay over there and store. So this is what it is. So let us do what? Let us solve a question. This is our list and we want to print only 5 and 25. अरे ये क्या आ गया? 5 and 25. So the answer will be what? That means we want to reach till the end. So what we'll do is that we'll create blank. It is going to print the entire list. We'll create what? Again blank. It is again going to print the entire. In the dicing part, what we'll do is that we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, 9. So we'll do what? Right, 9. We'll get 5 comma 25. So blank 9 is the answer. Alright. So let me talk about negative indexing. Alright, we saw what? We saw positive slicing and dicing. In the next topic, in the next lecture, we'll talk about negative slicing and dicing. Alright, but before that, let us talk about negative indexing. So let's print what? Let's print the list A and do what? Write A square brackets. Let's say, for example, in negative, what happens? It runs from reverse. It runs from reverse, and there is no such thing as zeroth position. Alright, it runs from reverse. So if I write -1 over here, so it will map -1 to 25. Alright, if I write -2 over here, it will read it as 17, -3 as 15, -4 as 11, -5 as 8, -6 as 1, and so on. And it will read 5 as -10. So this is what it is. This is what negative indexing is all about. Alright. In the next part, we'll discuss how to basically do the negative slicing and dicing. Alright.